Okay, so what's up guys? Today we will be clicking on this click counter 1,000 times. So you may as well just, want to get prepared because this is gonna take a while. So it starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, this might actually take a while. So you may as well just get a drink, some food, and you'll be good because we're almost at 100 clicks already, and then we're just gonna have to wait this time plus 10. So if you like my content, you may as well just subscribe because, well, it would really help my channel out a lot. And I hope this thing gets a lot of views because mostly my videos don't get a lot of views, but I'm a YouTuber and I don't give up. So yeah, you may just go onto my channel and see that video that said I'm quitting YouTube, but that's not true, It was just a little joke and stuff. And it was all because of one person that I made that video, and we don't need to talk about him. So, we're almost at 400. It's been about a minute. So this is probably going to take like 3 minutes or something. Don't know. So, tell me, will you like this video? Will you subscribe maybe? Or, if there's enough room to post this on TikTok, I might do that. So yeah, I'm at 500 right now, and it's taken about 2 minutes, so just gotta wait a bit more, Okay, so we're almost there. Man, this has actually taken a shorter amount of time than I thought. Now we're at 900, boy. Come on. Let's go. We made it to 1,000. Hope you like this video. Might have just wasted your time, so I'm sorry. So hope you like this video. Maybe just subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.